Are you tired of feeling like you're suffocating at night, unable to breathe through your nose comfortably? Or perhaps you've noticed a persistent runny nose or an unsettling drop in your sense of smell. These symptoms, while often dismissed as everyday afflictions, could be your body's way of telling you something more complex is at play. Could it be nasal polyps? In this enlightening video, we will peel back the layers of this often misunderstood condition. We'll dive deep into the world of nasal polyps, exploring their nature, causes, symptoms, and most importantly, how you can find relief. So if you suspect you might be dealing with nasal polyps, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to take charge of your health and seek the right solutions. Your journey to clearer breathing and better health starts now. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where your well-being is our top priority. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to all of us who breathe, nasal polyps. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health insights. Also, give us a thumbs up if you're excited to learn more about nasal polyps today. Let's get serious. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, ready to start your day, but you're met with a stuffy nose that just won't quit. No matter how much blowing your nose, there seems to be no end to this runny nose. And to add insult to injury, your usually keen sense of smell seems to have gone on a vacation. You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide grapple with these frustrating symptoms, and the culprit behind this misery could be nasal polyps. But what exactly are nasal polyps? In simple terms, nasal polyps are small, noncancerous growths that appear in the lining of your nose or sinuses. They might seem harmless, but they can cause a bunch of annoying symptoms like stuffiness, runny nose, reduced sense of smell, and even headaches. Think of them as little invaders in your nasal passages, disrupting your breathing and making life less enjoyable. So why do these little intruders set up camp in your nose? The answer lies in a process called inflammation. When your nasal passages get inflamed for a long time, it can lead to the development of nasal polyps. This inflammation can be a result of various factors such as chronic sinus infections, allergies, or even asthma. Imagine your nasal passages as a busy highway. When there's construction or an accident that blocks the flow of traffic, things start to get backed up, and that's when nasal polyps try to take over. Now you might be wondering what triggers this chronic inflammation. Well, here are some common culprits. Allergies to things like dust, pollen, or mold can set off an inflammatory response in your nasal passages, leading to polyp formation. Chronic sinus infections, where the sinuses become inflamed and swollen repeatedly, can also pave the way for these unwelcome guests. Asthma, a condition that inflames the airways, can contribute to nasal polyp growth. And finally, aspirin sensitivity can ironically make things worse, leading to an increased risk of polyp formation. It's like a never-ending cycle of inflammation, discomfort, and concern. So what do you do when you realize you're in the midst of this nasal polyp maze? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Well, fear not, because we've got some solid tips to help you navigate this terrain. First on the list is the nasal rinse or saline spray. This simple solution can work wonders in clearing out mucus and reducing inflammation. It's like giving your nasal passages a refreshing shower to wash away the irritants and promote healing. To use a nasal rinse, simply pour a small amount of salt water into the device and gently rinse your nasal passages. You can also use a neti pot, a handy tool for nasal irrigation. Just remember to clean it properly before and after use. Next up is steam inhalation. It's not your average cup of hot cocoa. No, my friend, this is a powerful technique to help thin the mucus and reduce congestion. Just pour boiling water into a bowl, place your face over it, drape a towel over your head, and inhale the steam. Make sure to be careful with the hot water and keep your face a safe distance away. Now let's talk about allergy management. If your nasal polyps are allergy related, it's essential to identify and steer clear of your triggers. Dust, pollen, mold, or pet dander could be the culprits behind your woes. Consider keeping a diary to track your symptoms and pinpoint the triggers. Once you know what's causing your allergies, you can take steps to minimize your exposure and reduce the inflammation they bring. It's like playing a game of hide and seek, but instead of finding the hidden object, you're finding the things that trigger your nasal polyps. And once you've successfully identified them, it's time to remove them from the scene. So how can you manage those pesky allergies? Well, here are a few tricks up our sleeves. First, invest in a good air purifier with a HEPA filter to help remove allergens from the air in your home. It's like having a personal air guard protecting you from potential nasties. 8. Regular cleaning can also go a long way. Vacuum frequently, dust with a damp cloth, and wash your bedding in hot water to reduce the presence of allergens. Speaking of allergens, have you considered immunotherapy? It's also known as allergy shots. This treatment can help you build immunity against specific allergens over time, reducing your sensitivity to them. It's like teaching your immune system to become less reactive to those troublesome allergens. Right. And let's not forget about dietary support. Certain foods can help reduce inflammation and support your overall health. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has anti-inflammatory properties that may help ease nasal polyp symptoms. Ginger, garlic, and omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish or flax seeds can also provide relief. It's like nourishing your body from the inside out, helping it fight inflammation and heal itself. On the other hand, it's wise to cut back on dairy products, processed sugar, and alcohol, as they can worsen inflammation. Last but certainly not least, boost your vitamin D and C intake. Vitamin D is essential for immune health, and studies have shown that adequate levels can help reduce nasal polyp size. Vitamin C supports collagen production and strengthens the immune system. Incorporate vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish or fortified foods, and vitamin C-rich fruits and veggies into your diet. It's like giving your immune system a power-up, helping it combat inflammation and keep those nasal polyps in check. Essential oils are natural substances, extracted from plants and flowers that have unique properties and potential health benefits. Some essential oils, like tea tree oil or eucalyptus oil, have anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that may help soothe nasal passages and reduce swelling. However, it's crucial to note that these oils should not be applied directly to the nose. Instead, you can inhale them through steam or use them in a diffuser to create a soothing aroma in your living space. Before we wrap up, let's address a common concern: medical management. There are non-surgical options available to help manage nasal polyps. Corticosteroid nasal sprays prescribed by a doctor can reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Antihistamines may also be helpful if your polyps are driven by allergies. It's important to consult a healthcare professional who can assess your individual situation and guide you toward the most suitable treatment plan. As we come to the end of this illuminating journey into the world of nasal polyps, it's essential to know when to seek help. If your symptoms persist for more than 2 to 3 weeks, if you experience severe breathing difficulties, or if you have frequent sinus infections, it's time to contact your doctor. Remember, early intervention can make a significant difference in managing nasal polyps. Your doctor may suggest medications first before considering surgery. Navigating the realm of nasal polyps can be challenging, but you don't have to go it alone. With the right knowledge and support, you can make informed decisions about your health and take proactive steps towards a better quality of life. From understanding the causes of nasal polyps to exploring natural remedies and medical options, we've covered a lot of ground. But the most important takeaway is that you have the power to take control of your well-being. So what are some of the strategies you are going to incorporate into your routine to manage your nasal polyps? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your experiences and insights might be exactly what someone else needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest health insights. And please give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and breathe easy.